I love my curls. This is from yesterday. And today, we are spending our Monday here at home. Kasi maglilinis lang tayo ng bahay. Ng kwarto lang. Okay, kate. So fun. Okay, let's go and fix some stuff. Mister. Ang ganda ko. Right? My husband made me this snacks today. I really love this ketchup. Looking for a sandal para sa wedding na a-attendan namin this next month. Wide feet kasi ako kaya. Oh my gosh, it's back, mister! Bilhin ko na ulit siya. This is my favorite shoe. I have this. I like the design. And parang gusto ko bumili ng madami niya. Madami. OA ng madami. Ay, sorry po. Ng dalawa. Dapat takpan to. Kasi nga wide yung feet ko. Or baka dahil masikip yun. Akala kong bagay siya sa style ng dress. Earn rewards like cashbacks and miles when you use your credit card today. Yung design ko lang, kasi yung dress cotton. I haven't choose anything yet kasi I'm not yet ready. Pero okay na yun na nakapag-canvas ko. Pagod na siya. Next stop. I'm waiting for my husband. Nag-order siya ng kape niya dito sa may Starbucks. Kanina sobrang sunny. Biglang naging ganito yung weather. We decided to sit here ulit sa may Sky Terrace.
Mag-merienda lang ang saglit.
Yes. Buksan mo nga to, mister.
Papasukin ako.
Buksan mo. Papasukin si kids. Ooh, looks so scrumptious. Wow. What is scrumptious? Ito cinnamon brioche. Ano nga kasi ito? Ay, hindi ito pala. Ay, charot. Kanino to? Pera mo pala to. Starbucks naman ito. Ikaw, anong in-order mo sa Starbucks? Americano?
Yeah. At Americano.
Ito yung croissant and chocolate. Ay, ewan ko. Basta yun na yun. Ito na yung view. Medyo nagpapakita yung araw. Pero cloudy na dun sa kabilang part. Sarap niya pa rin. Grabe. Sarap ng butter. It's a yes. Love it. Let's go check yung vacuum nila sa Daiso. Parang ito yung ano pong pinakamabenta dyan?
Dito.
Bago. Hindi, mabenta.
Benta ngayon as of the moment po si Vita Boy.
Oo nga, parang ito yung madalas nakikita kong color.
Ito na halos same lang sila ito kasi may LCD for these 3 models.
Anong LCD? Anong ibig sabihin?
Ma'am. So makikita mo dito kung ilang
wow.
minutes pa yung itatagal ng battery niya.
Okay.
For every power mode. And kasi ma'am wala siyang LCD display.
Kaya yun ang
Pero in
pinakamura.
terms of traction power, mas malakas po ito. 150 air watts, ito 120 air watts. Ito 140 naman. Ito yung pinakamalakas talaga ng 315 air watts.
Ito yung pwede yung water. Dito yung basa.
Ito for wash D1, basically for floor washing po. Pang floors lang po. Appliances, mga furniture, or even car, pwede po. Then may ganito pa siyang attachment, ma'am. Good for mattresses, sofas, mga beds po.
Oh, nice. Ganda kasi walang cord.
Yes, ma'am.
Yun ang pinakamasaya sa lahat.
Ito, ma'am,
Ay,
up to
oo
60 minutes na po siya.
Oh, wow.
Then it has a lifetime washable filter. This one.
Oh, washable.
Yes.
That's good. Ang warranty.
Warranty, ma'am, 2 years parts and services included.
Okay. Pero hindi siya dito.
Hindi siya dito, ma'am. We're working out na maging drop off si Baguio. Kaya lang for the meantime, si Green Hills po muna talaga ang service center.
Alright. Thank you so much. Ano pong name nyo?
Mark.
Mark. Thank you, Mark. Salamat. Okay. Pakita mo, yung cart natin na nag-go sa ibang direction. Hindi siya one direction. Ano siya? Multiple direction.
No direction.
Oy, galing mo dun ah. Minsan ka lang makapag-joke ng nakakatawa. By the way. Doon, mas maikli doon. Nakita ko yun. Medyo humaba na rin siya. Pero doon, laging mahaba yung pila. Punta muna ako ng Watson's to buy tissue for my face. I hope it's here. Kasi minsan, ubos. Oh no! Wala. Who else uses that, guys? Yung nakapack na tissue ng Watson's. Pwede po magtanong. Wala po ba talagang stock yung tissue na tatlo ng Watson's? Yung nakapack. Bamboo something.
Ma'am!
Saan po pwede?
Tissue daw na Watson?
I asked the ate. So, hopefully meron siyang stock. I should buy napkin pero feeling ko mas mura sa Shopee. Hindi ko sure kung totoong mas mura siya. Minsan din ako naniniwala na mas mura sa online. Is rollerblades really pwede dito sa FM? Ate, gusto ko yun. Clips lang. Oh, grabe yung
Next po. Let's go.
It's nice na meron silang ganito para na-check mo kung nadodoble o hindi. The lane for taxi is so long, so hindi na kami makakabili ng water dispenser ngayon. Bukas na lang. Kaya mag-jeep na lang kami. Right? Baba na lang kami para mag-jeep. Grabe, sobrang dami ng tao. Ay, walang ka-taxi-taxi. See that? Sampu na ata. Kahit dito walang cars. Walang taxi. Uy, si Cutie Pie. Ang layo ng pila nila. Wala pa, ikaw na. 6:50. Might finish one chapter. Pero, next jeep na kami. Finally, naka-jeff na kami. Hi! We're supposed to bake skate here sa biking lane. Pero sobrang dami pa rin ng tao. At 6:30 ba ngayon? And open pa tong skating rink. Sana open siya until what time kaya? Hanggang anong oras po kayo ate? Close na? Bakit? Pero usually hanggang anong oras talaga? Nag-move na. Dati kasi 5:45 eh. Hindi pa rin parehas. Sige. ba yan? Sarado na guys. Hey guys, we're here at the Burnham and I'm going to
Close na kasi guys yung skating ring.
excuse yung skating ring. So maghahanap tayo ng flat tire. Expert na daw siya. Baguio's Night Market. And today's April 7. Marami pa rin namang mga tao. Our go-to kainan here and it's the Lutong Bahay. Just to get... anong number natin?
25. Hindi na kami madalas mag night market. So, dahil nag-skating siya tonight, dito kami kakain. And marami pa rin tao dito sa Baguio guys.
May number na kayo, ma'am?
Meron naman. Anong... Kamusta ang lasa? Same pa din, di ba? Beefsteak. Itong beefsteak parang lagi ko naman.
Yes.
Malambot yung meat. Dinuguan. Huh?
100 pesos per order. Meat to meat na siya. Malaki yung serving nila.
Antay ka ba taxi? Baka may sundo siya. You have to give it to me. Hey, don't be too... Ay, wow. So, OA naman si Buddy. How about you share the ball to us? Got it. Gotcha. Good girl, Mocha. Hey, Chinky! Share ng ball. Give. Come on, give. 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 Paano ko ba tuturuan to na ibibigay niya lang sa akin at hindi kami kailangan mag-agawan? Hindi kailangan. Palibasa, yun kasi yung laro niya since bata siya, tug of war. No, Jinky, give. Come on, give to me. Give. Give. Come on. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Mocha. Mocha. Let's go. Mocha. Hmm? What? Mocha. Mocha. Jinky. Mocha. Hmm? Bibili kami ng water dispenser, guys. Finally, it has been ages that we were planning. Ages!
Sakto, may paikutan. Hi guys, we're here at
Ay, naka-open pa yung ano niya.
And
We're here at
bibili lang kami ng
This is the water dispenser that we're eyeing sa Brick. Lagi ding naka 10%.
Tapos sir, ito yung lalagyan sa loob ng galon. Kung kabisado mo sir yung volume ng paglalagyan mo ng water, ito siya. Para kahit gawanin mo sir automatic. Pero pagka wala ng water, makikita mo iwan.
They're on sale up to 50% off. So we're gonna check the sale items. Uy, ito cute to. Yung kilikili lang. Parang siyong. Let's try. This is the first dress. Ito yung isa. I think I just have the wrong inner. But this is how... Ang ganda niya dito. I have broad shoulders kasi. You know. And this is the shirt. This is size small. I think ito kasi yung mga bagay sa mga broad shoulders.
What if we make believe, hide away amongst the trees, making potions out of leaves, hide and seek in closets empty. If you're the first person to find me, just don't tell them what you've seen. So I think that I might make up for lost time.
And then, tissue. Sana meron na yung tissue ko. Meron silang stock dito. Sa SM laging wala eh. This is a good facial tissue, guys.
Yun yung pinaka makukuha.
Yun siya yung actor, ta siya din yung manager. Director.
Sa camera kasi yun. Okay, tapos kunyari aayusin yung damit. Very cool.
Hindi mo pa napansin. Tingnan mo yung ano, wait lang. yung dito mo yung puti. Yung noo mo, merong IC.
When fears enter our hearts and minds, when chaos happens in our world. But just as Peter declared, we have a living hope. And this assures us that whatever situation we are in at present, we can praise and worship God.
Hey guys, I'm ending my vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!